Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas. And yes, you are staring at my chandelier at the moment. I always say that there are two focal points to a room, one being the chandelier and the other being the fireplace. So today I'm going to focus on the chandelier. As you can see, it's very dirty and it needs a good clean. So yeah, so let's get a close-up of that chandelier that's been neglected. So yeah, you can see the dust on the chandelier. So I'm going to be cleaning that, and I'm going to, recreate this chandelier with different droplets that I've ordered, and I'll show you those in a minute. This is what it looks like at the moment. I did this one a few years ago. It was just plain clear crystals, and I added the plum because that was the focal point of the room. It was in a plum colour, but now I have changed it to pink. So I'm going to take these droplets out and I'm going to be changing them to pink ones, and I'm going to show you after I've cleaned it what I got from both Amazon and eBay, what I ordered, and you can have a look at the little crystal droplets that I bought for the chandelier. Okay, so using my duster and some Pledge furniture polish, I'm going to clean this chandelier. So let's get up there and let's start cleaning and taking all of that dust away from there. And I think that, sometimes we do forget because the chandelier's up, and we do forget to give it a good clean and give it a bit of tender care. But I promise you that when you do clean your chandelier and it's sparkling and it has some beautiful droplets, it does make a big difference. And you sit back and you look at it, and it's just satisfying to see a nice, shining, glamorous, luxurious chandelier. So that's what I'm going to be achieving, and I just am so excited because I've got the droplets that I really liked from two different places, like I said, and I can't wait to just show you what I've got. They're really, really delicate, and you'll see what I mean when I show you them. But for now, clean away and let's get this chandelier sparkling, ready for those droplets. Okay, so after giving it a good old polish, we can see that chandelier is now lovely and clean and sparkling and very, very much dust free. So the next thing, I'm just going to get you up there so you can see that it is nice and clean now, especially from the top. It was definitely looking a little bit brown at the top there, but yeah, all been nice and clean and dusted away. So it's now time for the fun part, and that is sorting out first of all, opening those pink crystals that I've got and sorting it out into some kind of arrangement. So I have all of the old ones here at the moment, and I need to unclip them all and just leave the clear crystal ones. Here is one of the sets that I've bought, pink sets of crystals. So you can see here is the larger ones that I bought, and I'm really, really happy with these little pendant crystal droplets that are going to be hanging from the chandelier and looking very sparkly. So I'm really happy as well with the colour. I wanted something very delicate. The other one that arrived, which are like the little hexagon beads. These ones are similar to the ones that I got actually in the colour. So I'm loving that. They're going to be a really good blend. These are the ones I got from Amazon, and I'll show you these droplets, and they look like a pair of earrings, and I think they're going to go really well, and you can see all the colors together. It's very, I'm really happy that I managed to get a good blend of colors that actually suit each other. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is separating, and as you can see, I've done that. I've taken all of the plum crystals out of the chandelier, and now I'm going to be arranging them all into some kind of order to put into the chandelier. So first of all, I'm going to be doing the ones that the kind of like the stringy strand that hangs from the top and it connects to the bottom. So I'm going to need a lot for this. So I'm going to be showing you one first, and then I'll just do all the rest of them off camera. So I'll probably have a set of 10, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting in a few clear ones, and then in the middle I'll have a row of 5 pink ones, and then I'll continue again with some clear ones, so it forms a kind of pattern. So that's what I'll do in the middle, the kind of ones that link the chandelier arms together. From the top to the bottom, I'm just going to put all clear because I don't have enough of the pink and I don't want to waste them. So I'm just going to do them all clear with some 2 larger droplets hanging from the side, and I'll show you all these when I've done them, so it's not as confusing as when I say it. And also any spare crystals, which I probably will have, I'll just add them in just to give it a bit of extra bulk into the chandelier. So let's get on with the first strand, and then I'll show you the end, and when you see what one looks like, you'll know what they're all going to look like. So as you can see, they are very, very tricky to do, and yeah, it hurts your nails a little bit, but it's definitely worth it to see the end results. And you can see the kind of pattern that I'm doing from the ones that start from the top to the bottom of the chandelier that just kind of hang down. So that's what I'm doing there, and I'm not using any pink in that one because I don't have enough, but I don't want it smothered with too much pink. I want it to be there, but I want it to be subtle. So yeah, that's the pattern that I'm doing for those ones. And this is the center of the chandelier, the little ball crystal. So I'm going to now start to put in a few crystal ones in and a few of the pink ones in, and just let this lovely crystal ball hang down so you can see some of the pink crystals in there as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the last pattern on the chandelier, and it's just going to be the ones, the actual crystals that swing from side to side of the chandelier. And that one I'm just going to be using these small shaped, like hexagon shaped crystals, the flat ones, and I'm going to be mixing them up. I'm going to be putting some of the crystal clear ones at the ends, and in the middle I'm going to be putting about 5 each of the on it. There's 5 of them I need to do all together, and I'm going to be putting 5 of the pink crystals in the middle. So I'm going to start doing that now, and you'll see that at the end. So I'm just loving the way that all of these little droplets have come together, and all of the patterns that I've formed. These ones I'll just use to book up the chandelier. Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks. It's like, if you like arts and crafts and you have patience, then this is a great way of passing the time. So, you know, the best bit now is just dressing up that chandelier. I just cannot wait to get these droplets in and see what the finishing touch is going to be, and see this chandelier. So let's get started hanging up all of the little crystals that we've got. you found this inspirational. It is very easy to do, and it's a very, very inexpensive way of changing your chandelier. I have already done this now twice already to my chandelier, and it just is so effective when you are making the colors match the colors of the room. So, you know, it's not like I have to buy a pink chandelier. I can just add the pink droplets, and then we've got the hint of the color in the chandelier. So it's just a very inexpensive way, and very fun as well, and also satisfying when you yourself can create something for yourself and you sit back and look at it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it's given you some inspiration. If you're new here, then a very big welcome. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to hit on that notification for more fabulous ideas, and also give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. So take care, everybody, and stay safe, and I hope to see you all again in another video. And don't forget the recap, the before and after. Take care.